Hello guys, today I'll be showing you guys how to install continuous sync system on the brother printers. Alrighty, so here we got the CISS. First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna open the front cover and we're gonna install the cartridges. Alrighty, and we're gonna go ahead and close the front cover, but as I close the front cover, we'll notice that it's gonna be a small inconvenience over here. When we close the front cover, the cover is gonna be applying pressure to the tubes here, which will cause the ink not to flow properly to the cartridges. So in this case, what we do, I'll remove the cartridges, show you guys what we do to solve that problem. Get this out of the way. Alrighty, so let's take a look at this printer over here. As you can see to this printer, the cover, we actually cut a piece out of it, so that when we close it, let me install the cartridge really quick. See, when we close it, it doesn't touch the tubes, everything runs out easily. Now, you don't need to cut it as big as this, you can cut it halfway, but it's just to leave enough space so that the tubes, can come out easy and doesn't apply any pressure, folds the tubes or anything. Alrighty, so once the printer's on, we're gonna go ahead, close the cover really quick. The printer's gonna tell you no ink cartridge is installed. You're gonna open them. It's gonna tell you push each cartridge one by one. You're gonna push the black. You're gonna push the yellow. Push the cyan, and you're gonna push the magenta. It's gonna tell you to close the front cover. You close it. As you can see, all the ink levels are full. If the printer asks you at this point, have you changed the following cartridges, make sure you select yes to all of them. Alrighty, so once we have the cartridges installed, the ink tanks, they have to be at the same level as the printer, not above the printer or below the printer. You can place them right next to the printer, has to be at the same level. The tanks at the top have two plugs, have a wide plug and a skinnier plug. The skinny plug is the air vent, the thick plug is the refill hole. So first you need to remove all the plugs so that the cartridges can breathe and the ink can flow easily. So you can see there's a small hole next to so that you're just going to place them in there and you're going to leave those holes open. If you ever need to refill, you just remove the big plug and you pour the ink inside. Always try to maintain the tanks full, never let the tanks get completely empty to avoid getting any air inside or anything. Just try to maintain it full. Alright, so once that's there, we're going to go ahead and run a test page. Just make sure we have paper. Yep. Alrighty, so as you can see here, that's the test page. Everything looks good. If by any chance you print the test page and there's any missing colors or dots on these rectangles right here, all you have to do is just the printer here asks you, is there any dots on the missing dots on the test page? You will just select yes, and then the printer will guide you through another cleaning. Just do several cleanings until you see that the test page comes out clearly and perfect, just like this one. It is not required all the times, but sometimes you do require. Just run a few cleanings until the quality improves. So that's about it. Just remember, the ink tanks always need to remain at the same level. Make sure that the plugs are the air vent plugs are removed. If you need to move the printer to another room anywhere else, make sure you plug them back in to avoid the tanks from leaking. But as long as you're printing, as long as you're using the printer, just make sure that this remains open at all times. This can be closed, but the air vents need to be, plugs need to be open. Alright, so that's about it.